Stereotyping in the media has become a big issue in contemporary mass communications. In particular, advertisements often display biased and stereotypical images of women that can be both misleading and derogatory. Generally, in advertising, women of all races are often viewed as sexual objects at one point or another. However, in most scenarios, minority women are subjected to the worst of it. Regardless of whether or not sexuality is being given to them in abundance or taken away completely, most images in the media of minority women are deeply rooted in sex, managing to subtly and subliminally dehumanize the very women that they attempt to represent. Take the Chiquita Banana ad campaign as an example. This Latina character that had her start in the 60s embodies the stereotypical fun-loving Hispanic Spitfire. Often portrayed as an overtly sexual figure, dancing the rumba and singing her famous "I'm Chiquita Banana" jingle, Chiquita is a prime example of the ways advertising is used to over-sexualize minority women. Although minority women are most often over-sexualized in advertising, there are examples where every ounce of their sexuality is stripped away from them, and such is the case with Aunt Jemima. Aunt Jemima is a classical example of the mammy stereotype. Although she is now portrayed as a somewhat young middle-class woman with a fancy hairdo and pearls in her ears, when the brand was first established in 1889, she was the perfect representation of the stereotypical mammy, catering to the needs of her white family while forsaking her own. These two advertising stereotypes do not even begin to explore the way the media exploits the sexuality of minority women. Ads such as this one emphasize on the stereotype of the feisty, hot, or in heat Latina woman, and ads such as this one portray African American women as wild animals who need to be tamed in a sexual manner. Although many people feel that they are not affected by the negative portrayal of minority women in the media, the truth is that it affects us all. The images that we see in the media affect us on a deeper level than we may think.